yeah, this is a Yamaha Tracer 900 GT. So this is Yamaha touring adventure bike. Loads of wind protection. Being the GT, I believe it also has electronic suspension. It gets the gold forks, so the forks are more advanced, and very comfortable bike for doing a lot of miles on, like a lot of miles on. So the handlebars are pretty much dead straight, so you can just sit there in the cockpit and just be very comfortable. And you do get things like a quick shifter, and this one is the CP3 engine, so it's a 3-cylinder. It's about 120 horsepower standard, but quite a torquey engine, and yeah, it's a nice colour scheme, the GT version. And wheels look good as well, Yamaha purple. So you do get a centre stand as well, which is pretty neat. Looks like it's got a tail tidy at the back.
You like the Tracer?
You do get things like cruise control.
You like the